Artisan card and swing machine distributed to 7 beneficiaries by Sabina Teronpi at Loring Tepi on 6 December. Karbi Farmers Association celebrated its 12th birth anniversary on 7 December. Hanlokro Cooperative Lamb Society conducted election for its board. Important notice: as per the direction of Block Development Officer of Lumbajong Development Block, beneficiaries of MGNREGA job cards are directed to link their Aadhaar seeding into MGNREGA database by 7th of December, failing which would be barred from further MGNREGA schemes. The said notice also implies with the members of National Social Assistance Program. Beneficiaries can avail Aadhaar card seeding with MGNREGA job cards at the office of Lumbajong Development Block, Manja. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time with Julie Bepi. Now the news in details. On 6th of December, artisan cards and swing machines were distributed to 7 beneficiaries from Sabina Teronpi at Loring Tepi IB Town Committee office. During this occasion, blessings were also sought for the new upcoming film project titled Serdihun. Dilip Bey chaired the event and took the opportunity to introduce all the guests of the event. Horen Singh Bey, MP, Dorsing Ronghang, MLA, Kangbura Kiling, EMKAAC, Sabina Teronpi, social activists, ward commissioners and several dignitaries of the region attended the event. With a vision to uplift and popularize Karbi traditional attires, Sabina Teronpi had been working rigorously since the past several years. She had brought various state and central schemes for the women's society. Likewise, on 6th of December, Sabina Teronpi distributed artisan cards and sewing machines to 7 beneficiaries through the Ministry of Textile, Government of India.
Government of India, Textile, Craft, Pohaladak Office along, Government of India long, Nili Tumapan la Artisan I card mama ketu, la Tumapan si, Nili Tumapanke, la so amane misin tame terang tame la son si Nili Tum Kipajir.
Hence, to commemorate Karbi apparels, a feature film on Serdihun, the first women to weave clothes titled Serdihun was announced. And to kick off the shooting, blessings were also sought at the moment. Malin Tisopi, Harmony Bey, Mohendro Teron, Dilip Bey would be starring in the movie.
Film ta ingkulo nilitum la so film abang ke la kipir kita. Anatu a film sing pulo amen bang ta Serdihun.
Long Sodaring Test Report for Karbi Anglong Live. Agriculture plays a critical role in the entire life of a given economy. Agriculture is the backbone of the economic system of a given country. In addition to providing food and raw material, agriculture also provides employment opportunities to a very large percentage of the population. Agriculture could be referred to as the production, processing, promotion and distribution of agricultural products. With a vision to uplift farming sector in the district and provide platform to the farmers of Karbi Anglong, Karbi Farmers Association was founded 11 years ago, and today its 12th birth anniversary was celebrated. The main motive of the association includes organizing input, material supply and production services through public, private and cooperative sector, identifying and promoting post-harvest processing manufacturing units in the public, private and cooperative sectors, and to promote organization of marketing chains both for domestic and export marketing. The celebration was chaired by Durgaswar Ingti, President of Karbi Farmers Association, West Karbi Anglong. An introduction of the guest was done by Rajas Tiso, General Secretary of Karbi Farmers Association, West Karbi Anglong District. Singwei, ex-EMKAAC, Kennedy Inghi, Advisor, KFA, Amarjit Timu, Secretary KFA, Central Committee, Ramsing Phangcho, Village Headman, Babul Togbi, President of KSA, Hamran Regional Committee, Member of KCS, KLA, Ramsing Ingti, and several dignitaries of the region attended the event.
Farmers tum hello. Saitutiki amoy arbung, lapen dead amoy arbung ke. Jongsi il tumle saitiki pame punte ladake nane sakuri claim punoy natong ne engineering ke klem punoi pusitame ladake farmers tum bensi kereng chot lasi nilitum kebangjiar ni pusitame autonomous council CMEM tum hana tuning rilo je nilitum han awareness training awareness program la penchenglo kadok kabe award saita nang pipo naing pu.
Hunter's report from Kironi for Karbi Anglong Live. Hanlok Cooperative Lamb Society held its union body election for the next 5-year terms at Hanlok on the Rongkhang constituency, West Karbi Anglong. Union body for the term 2022 to 2027 of Hanlok Cooperative Lamb Society was conducted successfully in presence of returning officer on 5th December at the office of Hanlok Cooperative Lamb Society. Dhoniram Ronghang and Pradeep Rongpi contested in ST reservation category. Shareholders of the society voted Dhoniram Ronghang as the member of the union from ST category. The following members who turned out victorious and would be taking charge as a union body for the next 5 years are as follows. Dhoniram Ronghang, Member Terang, Joy Singh Togbi, Naria Bordoloi, Robison Pator, Krishna Kantadeka, Noren Dibragit, Ambiram Darphang, Biju Khorai, Tonkeswar Kro, Dipen Pator, Ananda Senapati, Kabon Terangti and Marija Mara. The certificate of merit was handed over to the elected members by the returning officer of the election.
Claim ke dami lama bange sethani lama ngala puhilo nili phan ke rat atum rat akan claim nahi pusi nili phan nang toidon no pen rat ke cerap pen nili haida haidun sidlo la sirat barman mang claim tinang kok.
The election was conducted peacefully and successfully due to the collective efforts made from the General Secretary of LAMS and returning officer along with their staff. Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.